Welcome to the Green Ring, and thanks for watching. As I do with each of the videos beginning the intermissions between operas, I explain I had no idea what a gigantic undertaking this would be when I first started this video log of a note-by-note analysis of Wagner's Der Ring des Nibelungen start to finish. This video comes by way of an apology and an explanation. I'm rather a long way from completing Siegfried Act 1. As such, I will be posting intermission videos, but in order to buy extra time, instead of weekly, they will be bi-weekly. I certainly hope that you faithful subscribers can accept that delay, but it seems to me the only way I can get Siegfried Act 1 ready in time. I can only think to express my gratitude for your faithful attention to this massive work, but by saying thanks, and ever thanks.